Hi, my name is Mia.
Hi guys, my name's called Chloe.
And this is our cousin Leah.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, what is up? My name is Ling. What are you saying? As you can see from the title of this video, I have
Mia.
and
Chloe.
and come on, you can say your name.
Mia.
Oh, Mia and Chloe are. Should I say your name?
Mia.
Yeah. Are Lisa's daughter. So Lisa is a friend of mine, and these two actually watch my YouTube videos and they really want to be a part of my YouTube video, and I thought, you know what, why not come over and we film a makeup tutorial together. And Leah is my niece and they're all cousins, so it's really cute, little family, you know, here. Yeah, you guys are going to do my makeup. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? So how old are you?
5.
And you?
8.
Oh, Leah, how old are you?
6.
I have 3 very young children who's going to do my makeup. And I have a baby in the next room as well. He might do my makeup depending on how things go. We're just going to jump straight into it now. So I've got a bunch of makeup here in front of you guys. And some of you actually know what this is, which I think it's so crazy. She knew what Too Faced was. And I was like, you know Too Faced? So that's really cool. Yeah, you can do whatever you want to do. It's up to you.
I'm gonna start with this foundation called Do You. It's a Fresh Glow foundation.
Cool. The beauty blender's over here as well. So it's a pump, so you press it down here. That's enough. Oh, that's enough. What's your favourite makeup brand? Do you have one?
L'Oreal.
L'Oreal. What's your favourite makeup brand? You don't have one? It's okay if you don't have one. No, that's okay. Do you have a favourite makeup brand? Lipstick. Okay, her favourite makeup brand is lipstick. So what is your favourite YouTube tutorial that I've done? The clown one? Which one? Oh, that one! Where I was like pink and everything. That's so sweet. And that is Luke, my nephew, playing with his dinosaur toys. Lukey, wanna come say hi? He's just curious of what's going on. This is a really good technique that you're doing. You've done the foundation. Do you know what comes next after foundation?
Concealer.
Yeah, do you know which one is concealer? Do you know how to say her name? Or do you want me to say it?
Please.
You want me to say it? So this is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. This is a stick one. So here you go. Do you know where to put it? No? Okay. You can put it wherever you want. Oh, that's the right place. Well done. And where else? I get really tired sometimes, so yeah, you gotta put loads on. Oh my gosh, you got all that right! And you use this to blend it out. Or you can use a brush if you want. What do you want to use?
Blender.
Blender? Go on then. Do you watch my YouTube videos as well? Do you? So which one is your favourite video? She doesn't have one. She likes all of them. What Who else do you watch on YouTube?
Just Jordan 33.
Oh yeah? Would you guys ever do YouTube? When you're older, of course. And then, do you know what to do next?
Leah, what do you want to do next?
What do you want to do, Leah?
No.
Which brush do you want to use? This one? The biggest one? Okay, that's fine. If I hold it up and you point it out, which one are you using? This one. Go on then. Oh my gosh, so gentle. There's me thinking they're gonna like go hard on my face, but they're not. Which colours do you want to use next? Just peachy, this one. And which one do you want to do next? Let's let Lukey choose. Lukey!
What colour you want?
What colour? Oh, okay, he's picking up the brush, guys. Go on. This one, come on, use the brush. And then put it on my face. Okay, he's going in. Okay. Look at my eyes. My eyes. Yeah, go on then. The other eye, this one. Any more on the eyes? I've got some glitter as well. Who wants to put glitter on my eyes?
Me.
Yeah, okay. Alright, you have one and then there's the other one. They're both different colours as well. Oh, it feels so weird to have 2 people doing my eyeliner. Oh, that's never happened to me before. Okay, carry on. Make sure it's even. Okay.
It's so bad.
It's fine, it doesn't matter. Do you know what this is?
Blusher.
Blusher. Do you know where this goes?
On your cheekbone.
Yeah. Do you know what you guys want to be when you're older?
makeup artist.
Really? What do you want to be when you're older? Really? But an artist, not makeup artist. Oh. Leah, do you know what you want to be when you're older? Oh, do you know what I forgot to bring? I forgot to bring some highlights, and then we bring some highlighter. Do you know who this is? What brand this is? MAC. Do you know who MAC is? When you get older, you will know who MAC is. One of the most iconic makeup brands. Even Luke is like, yeah, MAC. Okay, who wants to do highlight?
Leah.
Leah? No, do you want to do it? Do you two want to do it? I saw your hand up, you're like, I want to do highlight too. Do you know where highlighter goes? It goes right up here, on the cheekbone. Oh, she's going in. She's like, I want more. Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
It's very sparkly, isn't it? Am I done? Is it all good? Okay. Oh no, she's like, no, need more. So, what's next?
Leah, do you want to do this one?
Oh, that's a primer.
You want to do it?
Where does primer go? Do you know where primer goes?
There.
It can go wherever you want it to go. Come on, Leah. Come on, baby girl. Come here. Do you want to sit on my lap? Come here. Where does it go? Go on. Oh, it feels so weird. And then, where else? Anything else? What's missing? Do you know what that is? Do you want to show the camera? Show the camera what we're using. This is the, what the hell is this? All over face colour. So this is a bronzer. Do you know where bronzer goes? No? Should I tell you where it goes? So bronzer goes just like below my cheekbone. So this is a cream. So you kind of have to like push down just a little bit harder. Okay, not that hard. But it's okay though. And then there's a brush. So make sure you really blend it hard. Good girl. Look at that concentration. Oh my god, guys, you see her face right now? She's like concentrating so hard. Next, it's lipstick. I'm gonna show them. Not too close, maybe up to here. Look at that, she even knows how to present it. Do you want to show the other colour as well? So obviously me, I chose the boldest colours because I thought, why not? Do you want some help?
Yep.
Right, so what's going first, purple or pink? Purple, do you know?
We do half, so Chloe does that part and I do that other.
So half purple, half pink. Okay, you guys gonna do it at the same time? Or, okay. How's it looking? Okay, cool. What's next?
Leah, do you want to do the next one? Yes. Leah, do you want to do that one over it?
This one is, let me have a look, what is this? This is eyeshadow glitter. So do you want to put some eyeshadow glitter on my eyes? Yeah? Go on then. Make sure you be gentle, because your auntie needs her eyes for work. Done? Okay, let me put that away for you. What else is there to do? What do you think?
This.
This, do you know what that is?
No.
Yeah, and this is the Fix Plus setting spray. Now to spray it, make sure you spray hard and spray far away from my face, like up to here. Now spray. Spray harder. Do you want to use 2 of your fingers? Go on then. Cool. Am I done now? Do you hate it or do you love it? Let me have a look. I love it. I think I look great. Babe! Your face reveal. Are you ready to see my face?
Oh, yeah, sure, go. Okay.
Don't I look good?
Yeah, you're very good.
I look so good because of these girls.
Yeah.
How about you, Mum? How do you think I look?
Very good.
Very cute,
Very,
right?
very, very glamorous.
Yeah, I'm gonna go out like this later. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you let me know what video to do next with these girls. Maybe I should do their makeup next time. What do you think, Mum? She's doing a little shake. So
Our shout out goes to Kimber XMUA.
yeah, make sure you guys follow her. Thank you so much for tagging me in all your pictures, darling. If you guys want to shout it in my next video, all you have to do is just tag me in your pictures on Instagram and follow me, and next week you could be the next shout out. Do you want to say it? Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Thumbs up.
And thumbs up.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell.
You heard them, you can't say no to them now. Look how cute they are. Everyone ready to say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, bring it up a little bit. Bring up the camera. 3, 2, 1. And again. And again. And we're good.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Let me take the final look.
Oh yes, please. Can you do it on my phone as well?
You did the lippy.
Everyone did it. Everyone contributed to do the lippy.
Look.
His face. Oh, he's not scared. Hello. Oh, okay. Cuddles. Okay, maybe not then. I'm like,
I done waited for a long time for someone new like you. Girl, moving over to a new town and I got new things to do.